Best electric pressure washer for cars listed in this video, considering their performance versus price. Check out product links in the description below, for updated price and more information. First off, Sunjoe electric high pressure washer for cleaning cars, RVs, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, fences, patios. Next up, Stanley electric car pressure washer with spray gun, quick connect nozzles, foam cannon and hose. Last but not the least, Karcher electric car pressure washer. Check out product links in the description below for price, customer reviews, and more information of these best electric pressure washer for cars. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to this channel, to get notified of our upcoming videos. Please feel free to share your own review, as well as comments, questions, or disagreements about these best electric pressure washer for cars.